Good afternoon.
Hi guys.
Good afternoon, guys. It is Monday. So we are opening the vlog really late. It's 4:07. Because I had a really lazy morning. Hindi ako naghatid kay Veronica. Sino naghatid? Siya nag-pick up. Kasi it's back to school today. First day. There she is. Pinatanggal ko yung top niya, guys, kasi naka-uniform pa siya. Kasi ang lamig.
Hello.
So we're going for a anong tawag namin? Ano ba yun? Mga Thunders Monday night out. Thunders Monday night out. Thunders. No, I don't think so. Gusto niyo makita si Holly. But I don't know what's their plan sila John ngayong gabi. Baka doon lang sila sa caravan nila. Kasi si Dan at saka yung kids sa bahay lang nila. And then, hatid ako ni Nila sa city. Gusto ko sanang isabay si Lara. But ihatid kasi ako ni Nila. So, hindi kami kasya sa car. So, yun. I'm just having my coffee. Because, antok talaga ako, guys. Pero, binigyan ako ni Nila ng chance na humiga at matulog. But, I rather watch Grey's Anatomy. Ay, anyway, it's my it's my fault. So, naghugas na ako ng dishes. It's 4 o'clock. I need to get ready soon. Mag-shower ako bago ako magbihis. Good morning. Good afternoon na pala. Kagising lang yan. After nap. I'm having muffin for snacks. Veronica had 2 muffin. Okay, finish your fruits, please. Hindi na naman niya naubos yung fruits niya sa school. Ha? Ang dilim, guys. Ayan, but this is our outfit for today. So, meron tayong napakagandang jacket and then just comfy pants to guys. And then just a long sleeve black top. Kasi lahat ng damit ko ay masikip na po. Masikip na, guys. I really need to discipline myself. Sobra kasing ang lakas ko kumain lately. Hindi po ako buntis. But, maybe the weather, it's cold. Kasi parang lagi akong gutom. But anyways, I'm just gonna put a contact lens tonight. Wala akong masyadong contact lens. But I'm gonna wear this one. I know this is too big. It's a bit big on me. But it's the only contact lens I have. I just wash my hands. Say hi. You already had a shower. Well, sorry, it's too high. Put it down. Oh, okay. Meron kami ditong stool. It's a foldable stool. Wait, pakita ko sa'yo. Ano yung stool? It's a foldable. Oops, careful. So, mag-contact lens tayo, guys. It's been a while.
Wait until this time, Mama.
It's been a while since the last time I put contact lens. What did you say?
Wait until I'm this high.
Oh, look at that. You need my height. I think this is way too big on my eyes, but wala lang ako ibang contact lens.
Does it hurt?
Yeah, a little bit. Just gonna clean up the contact lens.
Why?
So it's nice and clean and put it on my eyes. It's not too full.
It's like floppy. How do you do it? Yeah!
Diba ang laki? Oh my god, it's really big on me, guys.
How does that?
You see the difference?
No.
It's really big.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
How does it work?
What do you mean?
So it's sticky and then it sticks
Yeah,
in
we'll
your
just stick on your eyeball.
It's like,
This
does
is
it make you cry?
this is the reason why I want you to eat carrots and tomato. It's good for your eyesight. I didn't eat that when I was a kid. That's why I'm blind, right?
Oh no. Can I see?
Ang laki ng
Can I see?
diameter nung contact lens, guys. Kasi pinabili ko to sa Thailand. Ala, hindi talaga siya. Wait lang. It's a bit awkward.
Mama, can your eyes get bigger?
No.
Why?
What do you mean?
Then how? Well, if it doesn't fit you, then who would it fit on?
Well, it still fit me, but it looks big on my eyeballs, like my normal size eyeballs.
No, it doesn't.
It does. Look how big they are.
Your eyes are like this high.
I need to wear...
This is how big your eyes are.
Wait, hanap lang ako ng primer.
Strong. Strong.
Meron akong primer dito, guys, ang ating Marc Jacobs.
Mama, this is my exercise for the day.
Okay, that sounds weird.
What?
Your exercise. Okay, primer natin ito is sana hindi tayo maging hulas free tayo, hulas free. Oh, nice.
I can't understand you.
Well, you need to learn how to speak Tagalog.
No, I don't. That's why.
Alright, this is our primer. Ang tagal ko nang hindi nag-primer. Kasi hindi na ako naman nagpa-primer. Ngayon lang para mag-last yung ating makeup. Okay, next, ang ating foundation. Ang ating foundation is in the shade medium 4, Barcelona. Ayan, si Nars.
Guys.
Veronica, you might choke on that one. Silly bum. Alright, foundation. Ang ganda ng ng brush ng Rare Beauty, guys. It's really, really nice. Ang soft niya. And it's perfect for foundation. Pang ano talaga to, foundation brush. Alrighty. Baka mag-ano lang ako, mag-diretso ng buhok. Hair straightener. Maya ko na yung gagawin pagkatapos ko mag-makeup. And then, sa ating liig. Ay, ang ganda ng kulay nito sa akin. Barcelona talaga yung aking shade.
Baby, where are you? Where are you?
Isang pump lang yun, ha?
Baby, where are you? I'm here when I sleep.
Finish your ano nga may sasabihin ko? Your fruits!
Mommy.
Hindi niya kasi naubos.
Mommy, where are you? Where are you?
And then, magkilay tayo, guys.
Wait
lang. Tanggalin lang natin yung foundation sa ating kilay. Because that's how they said. Kailangan daw walang anything sa kilay. Alright, I'm just gonna get my kilay. So, I'm using a Unbelievable Brow by L'Oreal. Ito yung ginagamit ko lately, guys. Wait lang, balik lang ako, ha? Kasi kailangan ito ng tamang concentration sa kilay. Ayun, guys, meron tayong kilay. I-ano lang natin siya. I-laminate. Laminate. Tapos yung ginamit kong pangkilay na dalawang ginamit ko. Ito yung sa Happy Skin dito sa may gitna kasi medyo light to sa akin. Ito, Strokes naman is yung bronzite. Medyo dark to sa akin. Medyo dark yung kulay niya. So, dito ko siya ginagamit sa may dulo. Ayan, sa mga pang pale. Parang mas makapal yung dito sa kabila. So, doblehin lang natin dito. Ayan. Okay. Tapos, meron tayo dito ang concealer, guys, para sa ating saan ba yung concealer ka? Concealer sa ating mga blemishes. Ano ba naman yan? Okay. Sa ating mga blemishes. Ito sa ating wait. Ang sabi, mag-blush on daw muna. Okay, bago ako mag-concealer sa mata, ano muna ako. Spot concealing. Kasi madami tayong mga chismis sa buhay. Kailangan natin itago, mga sis. Alam nyo ba, sobrang na-enjoy ko yung panonood ng mga Get Ready With Me sa TikTok. Sabi ko, I can't do that too. Akala mo naman saan pumupunta. Ayun, na-miss ko sa Philippines, yung mga events. Char, akala mo pumunta sa events. Bilingera ka, te. Hindi mo na-experience yun, kaloka ka. So, I'm just using NARS. Ang tawag dito is Soft Matte Complete Concealer in a shade Ginger. Ayun. Medyo parang orange yung face ko sa screen. Tapos, meron tayong blush yun. Magba-blush on tayo. Ang aking gagamitin ay si Happy. Kasi happy tayo today. Monday na Monday, guys. Bukas may school yung anak ko. So, hindi kami magpapanggabi. Aagahan natin ang uwi. So, dito ko muna siya nilalagay, guys. Kasi, ayoko siya ilagay direct sa aking face. So, meron tayo ditong pang blush din ni Rare Beauty. So, sabi dito daw ilagay sa may ano, guys. Sa blush. Ayan. Ito. Tapos, itaas natin daw dyan para mag-lift ang ating face. Ala. Ba't parang hindi masyadong pigmented tong kulay na to? Okay. Para mas pet ko si Hope. Meron din akong Hope, pero gusto ko to i-try kasi bago ko to si Happy. Ayan, lalabas na ang kulay, te. Putok naman, te. Putok blush on. Hala. Pero okay lang yan, guys, kasi magko-concealer pa tayo, so mag-fade pa yan. Parang sobrang ko ata. Kasi ang dilim dito sa side na to. Walang ilaw. Okay lang yan. Okay lang yan. Ay, magko-concealer naman tayo. Bago ko mag-concealer, mag-bronzer muna ako, mag-contour. Ang gagamitin natin is si Stroke na shade. Ayoko si Peanut. Masyado sa akin. Si Mochaccino. Kaloka naman tong blush on ka. So, ito gagamitin natin. Ayan. Minsan dito ko siya nilalagay, guys. Ayan yung kulay niya sa akin. Medyo grayish to, pero maganda siya pang contour. Dito rin daw, guys. Sa taas, hindi daw dito. Para mag-lift yung face. Mag-ano na lang ako bronzer. Pang ano lang naman to eh. Hindi masyadong kita. Wait lang, guys. Okay, tanggalin na natin itong blush on na to, guys. Masyado siyang mapink. Guys, medyo tapos na tayo. Ayan. Naglagay lang tayo ng kung ating kilay. Tapos pa-powder lang tayo. Nagamit ang ating all-time favorite na Charlotte Tilbury na finishing powder. Mag-ano lang tayo ng buhok, mag-start. And then, ang ating spray. Ang kalat dito. Kaya magliligpit lang ako. Kasi pag nagmamadali ako, ang kalat talaga. So, ayusin lang natin ang ating buhok, mga sis. guys. Ayan, may sapatos lang tayo dyan. Mga sapatos ng mga bata. Ayan. Diba, para lang tayong galing opisina. Kasi gusto ko comfy kasi itong pants na to, guys. And, yeah, just wanna be comfy. Alright, let's go. Alis na kami, guys. Hinatid ako ng buong pambang. Buong family are here. Alis na tayo. Sana hindi kami masyadong mag-ano.
I like your makeup.
Thanks, Bob. Simple lang. Simple. You like my makeup?
I do. Looks good. Do you like my makeup?
I do. Looks natural.
Natural. That's the look I'm going for.
Good. Because you've got it. Andito na kami, guys. Kaya lang, sarado yung road. So, kailangan, maglalakad sana ako, kaya lang bawal din daw maglakad. So, sabi ni Neil, i-drive na kita pabalik. Kasi, doon naman ninandaan niya. Wait, message ko lang yung girls. So, sarado dyan, guys. Hindi ko alam kung saan ba yung place. Saan ba yung place? Koso. Where is Koso? Hala, saan yung Koso? Wala, hindi ko alam kung nasaan yung Koso. Dito na ako, guys. Huwakas. Maaga-aga. Sin, sinarado na nilo. Kasi, yan, pinifix nila yung road, guys. Andito na tayo. Ay!
Ngayon, kailan, saan tayo maglalakad papuntang Curry?
Iikot.
Naka-heels pa.
Andito na sila.
Pasok na kayo.
Umikot pa.
Pwede na tayo umorder.
Umikot pa.
Madam!
Gutom na kami.
Nauna pa ako. O, diba? Madam na madam ka dyan sa outfit mo. Thank you, Manay. Oo. Meron ako pa perfume dessert.
Oo, ay, sabi niya, pagkabad niya kanina, initan ako.
Wah! Andito na rin si Merce. Andito na yung mga meat, guys. Parang konti. Parang konti this time. Parang mas madami last time na ano.
Dito din?
Hindi. Yung sa TTP.
Bakit?
Pero ayan na yung meat natin, guys. Oo nga, makakapal. Oo. Hindi kita si Lloyd.
Wala siya makuha.
Wala ako makuha ang isang face. Ayan na,
Naglag ako na ng gulo. Naglag siya pero hindi siya kasama.
Makita lang kayo, masaya na ako.
Something's in the air. I can feel it everywhere. Every color seems to bloom, and there's light in every room. Now that you're looking up, I can see it in your eyes that lately it's been tough. But now the sun is rising, and we're new people. Let's be new people. There's summer. Don't let me down, down, down. Don't let me down, down, down. I wanna be up, 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 so high. 'Cause I've been down, down, down. I've been down, so down, and now I'm done. I'm aiming for the
Okay, madam.
sky.
Madam! Madam! Madam, paano tumawa ang ano, sosyal? Tatlo nga daw.
Diba? Tatlo lang. Yung palahikam.
Kaya hindi na ako sosyal. Ang lamig. Alay na lalakarin natin.
Siya may pa ano siya, may pa
Mapa-fur.
fur siya, poodle.
Sana nag-legging sa
Ay,
loob.
wala. Ay, shit, nakaslack si sis.
Galing akong work.
Ay, galing ko.
Dito na kami, guys. Dito kami pala unang-unang nag-ano. Dito kami unang-unang nag-karaoke. Ito pala yun. Number 9 pala yun. I forgot the name. Sarado pala. May picture kami dito nun, guys. Alala nyo ba yun? Dito na kami. Dito na tayo mag-karaoke. Oh, diba? Walang tao, kami lang, guys.
Number 3.
Okay, room 3.
Room 3.
Uy, ang sakit sa ulo ng paano.
Nahilo ako, sis.
Right down.
Right. Baho. Wala talagang tao. Tayo lang talaga. Tananan. O, diba nandito na tayo, guys. Parang ang familiar tong place na to. Ganda dito. Napili na tayo ng kanta.
Ayun na.
So bad. So bad.
Bakit yun naman ang una?
Ano ba yung so bad?
Dapat abang.
Material girl. Dito natin yung ano, guys.
Kayo na talaga.
Diba?
Walang simula sa paligid! Walang malalim. Laklak pa!
You have the time of your life every single night. The confetti's raining down. You put your hands to the sky, center of the crowd. You're the talk of the town. And I tell myself I don't want that. What glitters isn't gold. I tell myself I don't need it, 'cause I'm fine on my own. But I hate being on the outside looking through a window. I say I don't want it, but I'm so full of it. I wanna be the life of the party. I wanna dance with somebody. Be ooh, 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 ooh. I wanna be the life of the party. I wanna hold on to somebody. Be ooh, 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 ooh. Living your life through a lens, perfect pretending. You think no one can tell, but everything's just fake. Now you're becoming the person you once hated. You also used to say that. I tell myself I don't want that. What glitters isn't gold. I tell myself I don't need it, 'cause I'm fine on my own. But I hate being on the outside looking through a window. I say I don't want it, but I'm so full of it. I wanna be the life of the party. I wanna dance with somebody. Be ooh, 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 ooh. I wanna be the life of the party. I wanna hold on to somebody. Be ooh, 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 ooh. Life of the party. Life of the party. Life of the party. Life of the party. Life of the party, life of the party, life of the party, life of the party. Yeah, I wanna be the life of the
Laban, sis.
Sana laban.
Lalaban na pala ako.
life of the party, 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 life of the. Yeah, I wanna be the life of the party. I wanna dance with somebody. Be ooh, 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 ooh. I wanna be the life of the party. I wanna hold on to somebody. Be ooh, 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 ooh. Be cool. I wanna be the life of the party. I wanna dance with somebody. Be ooh, 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 ooh. Be cool. I wanna be the life of the party. I wanna hold on to somebody. Be ooh, 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 ooh.
Oo nga, magkano yun? Magkano yun?
Pauwi na kami, guys. Overnight.
Overnight.
Nag-overnight. Nag-overnight ka, sis.
Overnight wala ako.
Ayan, may ano dyan, may pa-cart. Ito ng aming Uber. Bye, guys. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Ingat.
Kami na talaga nakapa-Jerry Sport. Uy, nakapa-Jerry Sport. See ya. Ito na ang aming Uber. Tayo, guys. Tulog ng mga bata. i-open ko lang yung ano, message ko pala si Lara. Nagsabay kasi kami nag-Uber. Wala, napausap na. Buksan natin yung gift ni Manay. Ay, perfume dessert. Hindi ko pa siya in-open. Oh my God. Alam, malulubat na ako, guys. So, meron tayong perfume dessert na London. Wala, hindi ko pa ito naamoy ever. Yung perfume dessert. Wait lang. And then, meron tayong stroke. And the tiny pen. Bibiling ko sana to, guys. And then, Lock Skin Eye Rescue Cream. Thank you, Manay. Anong shade nito? Thank you so much. Bronzite. Ayan. And then, perfume. Shade London. Shade. Uy, ang baho. Umano sa ilong ko. Ang bango. Thank you, Manay. Tapos may paano pa. Kasi maubos na ganito ko. Anyway, close ko na yung vlog ko, guys. Thank you so much for watching.